Hey guys, how we doing? I got a lot of requests for this, so I wanted to go over it. Wanted to cover it for you guys today. So we're gonna go over VET and we're gonna mix in XRP in this video as well. So it doesn't matter which one you guys are in, you guys are all in the profit for this trade. If you guys are following this over at tradeconfident.io, very quickly, I won't turn this into a sales video. Tradeconfident.io, go to pricing, sign up for your subscription. You guys get access to all the live trade calls as well as the metrics for all the top 10 currencies. Okay, let's go over here. Front page, go to live trades, and then you're going to scroll down to Ripple. We're going to go over Ripple, and then we're going to go over VET. The entry for Ripple for this trade was at $1.14. Now, if you guys look at this, it's a little bit different because these have updated this morning to the new best long trade. We take our amount that we want to trade with, $1,000, we split it into 4 equal sections, and each of those go at the first 4 buy limits, and then we take profit at the first yellow line here. Okay, that's exactly what I did for XRP, and that's exactly what we ended up doing for VET as well. VET actually had its long trade triggered for the first buy limit at 12 cents, and I'll show that to you guys over here. If you go to the live trades, if you scroll down to VeChain, you guys will see, I don't know if I updated this yet. Yeah, I updated this a little bit. So it ended up getting triggered at 12 cents, and this has moved to 11 cents at the moment. So there you guys go. If you guys are following, this is exactly how we're trading. So let's go over VET. I'm going to do the analysis on here because the structures are actually very close to the same. So let's go over this. Even the trend exhaustion and everything is very close. So I'll do VET in this video, but know that this correlates very well over to XRP. And we are going to go over the metrics here. It might just be a little bit longer video. Okay, let's get into it. I am looking at this right here, and I want you guys to really pay attention to this ascending resistance line. This to me is probably going to be a place where we're going to see a little bit of hesitation, and maybe we'll see a little bit of bearish movement take over in the market. This historically is a great place where you guys see stalls or breaks back down. This is a line that was respected here. Once we broke this, we saw a fast crash down. This could be called a break and a retest to see a move back down to the ascending support line, which is over here. If you guys are taking a look at the trend exhaustion, which I highly recommend you guys have the trend exhaustion, the price for swell money flow, and trend dashboard on your guys' trading view charts, this is showing us that we are in the top red section now. Now, what we need to do with this, we need to look in the past to see how accurate this has actually been at calling the tops and the bottoms. And I want you to just show this to you guys. If we take a look at this, we can see that it correlated to this top here, and then we saw this nice move back down, okay? We also saw that this predicted the top here before we saw a nice move back down. We saw that it predicted perfectly this top here before we saw a nice move down, and we also see that it predicted the top here before we saw a nice move down here as well. A little bit of an overextension, and then we got close to the top red zone, and then yet again, it helped us predict this move back down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could this be the 6th time that this actually holds true for us? I do think that's a possibility on the chart. So that's what I am watching today to see if right around this area, let me give you guys an exact target here, right around 13 to, actually let's call this 14 cents. 14 cents is where I would probably look to see maybe a little stall out on VET and maybe possibly a head move back down here. Now, if it does not stall, where I could expect this to go is simply to shoot up here very fast, maybe bounce back down here, and then come back up to the ascending resistance, which is going to put us right around this area up here, which is around 16 cents. Okay, 16 cents, or maybe a move back down to around 11, 12 cents is what I'm looking at for VET. Okay, I have to change this color, guys. It's like, it reminds me of like macaroni and cheese, and I can't stand it right now. I need it a little bit more yellow. Thanks for bearing with me on that. Okay, let's go over the metrics real quick for VeChain, and we're going to go over XRP after this real fast. So VET, we are gonna these metrics actually already updated this morning. I don't usually do it after the metrics update, but you guys get to see this. So these have been updated at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is about an hour and a half ago, and they will update tomorrow and every day at 8 a.m. Okay, we are still sitting in this excited area where, we've seen a nice move up, but we haven't seen, maybe the biggest healthy correction, like this correction that we've seen in the market, for a move up to be sustained. Now, I am very bullish, and I'm bullish on all of my trades. That's why we are in the profit on every single trade we're taking. But I'm just being a little cautious in the back of my mind, knowing that we could start moving down here because we are pushing up so fast. Now, as far as the best trades to take, this is pushing up into the good short trade section, so you guys can watch out for that. But at the moment, with this bullish momentum being this strong in the market, I am looking for these long trades to be in the profit. obviously because we're in these long trades and we're making money right now on this. Let's take a look at this for the well-institutional smart money. If you guys understand how to read this, this basically says when the market is getting very excited and very greedy because price is going up, this is where smart money and whales are shorting the market and they're making all their money on the drops down here. You guys can see that when we saw this drop on the top here. You can see right around this area, follow me. So you guys see this right here? That is correlated directly to the high that we see here. What happened the moment we hit this high? We saw a huge increase in smart money taking short trades. And those of you guys who followed this metric in here can see that they clearly made a lot of money on this short trade. Those of you guys who are the institutions who are following this channel, who I'm talking to, you guys, if you were able to take any shorts up here down to somewhere around 19 to 20% profit, if you're leveraging, you did great. You probably didn't get down here at the bottom. So I would say conservatively, you probably got around 10 to 15% on that short trade if you guys ended up taking that in there. Okay, let's keep going here. Pause here. The point of me showing this to you guys is that since we are seeing this metric form to the downside, if over the weekend we start seeing this form more to the downside like this isn't a bullish sign we're going to keep heading up. It's more of a sign we're probably going to get up to this resistance or this resistance and then head back down. Okay, so I want you guys to be watching that over the weekend. Make sure you guys just have a subscription over here to Trade Confident. Okay, support and resistance prices, guys. Obviously, where are we going to head to if we start moving up? It's going to be 14 cents. And 14 cents is very clear. It's structure high. But if we start moving down, the place that I'm really watching is the first pit stop is definitely going to be at 11 cents. And then I'm really watching this psychological level of 10 cents. So let's point this out on the chart, 11 and 10 cents. If we come over here, 11 cents is structure low. We can see this right here. 10 cents is down here at another structure low. This also correlates closely to the ascending support line if we kind of get around this area. So I do believe if we're going to head down here, guys, 11 cents, let me write this down so I make sure I get the thumbnail and stuff right. 11 cents is probably where we're going to head if we drop. But the next place to go if we start seeing a pump up is I believe we could see a move up here around 16 cents, okay? So that's a pretty big swing in here. That would give you guys, in this long trade, if we got to 16 cents, you'd be looking at about a 27% profit. That would be incredible. So great job for you guys in there. All right, looking down here, this is basically dollar cost average entries. If you guys took any of these, you are doing super well on this channel. This is for all the holders out there. You guys, you can enter in with the green candles here and then hold for long term. All right. Look at this. This came out with a red bar, perfectly calling the drop here. Yes, some of these came out and the market overextended itself. We use these to look for exits in the market on long trades. I do not use this to enter short trades. I have to say this again. I do not use this metric to enter into short trades. I use the actual live trade calls for that because we don't need to dollar cost average into there. But this is what I look for to exit out of the market. Okay, let's go back to VET. I want you guys to look at this. If you want to get into the best trade setups for VET, again, get your membership, go to live trades and come down here to VET. And I'll go over XRP just a little bit in this video to make sure I cover that. The exit point for this is at 15.9. So come over here, look at 15.9. I'm actually going to mock this up on the chart for you guys. Actually, I'll just go like this, 15.9. I'll do a line, and then on the next video, I'll make sure I mark it up here. So 15.9 is right at this level. Yeah, it's like right up here. So this is basically what I'm looking at as far as an exit is right around this area of 15.9. That is correlating actually very well to the top resistance point here of where I think we could head back down, because I said earlier it would be 16 cents. Okay, so that's a full update for you guys on VET. Make sure you guys are watching the metrics, and get the indicators, the trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow, and trend dashboard. I said this in these mornings videos. Guys, if you want to buy 4 or more of these, just email me and I'll give you an extra discount because I can do that. So just know that. All right, let's go over XRP real quick. Sorry, this video is a little bit longer, but I want to make sure I cover this before the weekend because I will not be doing videos on the weekend. Hopefully, me and my wife will be in the hospital delivering our baby over the weekend is where I hope we are at. So let's take a look at XRP. We have this basically ascending channel. It's kind of a weak top channel, to be honest with you guys. I know some people are drawing their trend lines right here. This is the best channel that I can see. Again, I want to draw your attention to the trend exhaustion in here. This has not yet come up to the top point. I believe we can still hit up about 80 to 90 on this before we see another move back down. But if you guys take a look at how ridiculously accurate this one single indicator is, guys, just get it on your chart. I'm serious, guys. The trend exhaustion, look, it's calling the top here. We ended up seeing a little bit of consolidation move down and then ended up dropping. We see the top here, and then we ended up moving back down. We see the top here, we ended up seeing a move back down. And obviously we saw it call the top here and we ended up moving back down. Could this be the fifth time? Fifth. Could this be the fifth time we actually start heading down? I do believe that could be what we see coming into this weekend. Selling pressure usually comes into the market over the weekend, so I want you guys to be aware of that. Now, coming up here, I do believe we could get some resistance at this structure high, and that would give us a resistance right around $1.34. So this could push a little bit higher to about a 17% profit, but that's what I want to call for that. As far as a move down here, this is obviously, if this moves back down, the contestant is going to be the ascending support line here. And I believe that price is going to be right around this area where we see a bounce, and that's going to be about $1.15 for XRP. Okay, let me fly through the metrics real quick for XRP. Literally, I'm going to fly through this, and then we're going to go over the long trade, the best setup for XRP right now. So we're basically sitting in emotional and greedy. This is a place where I expect to see a lot of traders get happy and the sentiment of the smart money to start shorting, okay? This is long trades and short trades are increasing. So at the moment, that just tells me that people are looking to short this as well as they're buying at the same time. So we have both parties interested in making money at the moment. Long versus short trade risk, this is still pushed up into the neutral, getting into that good short trade area. Now, if you guys want to take short trades, I'll show you guys how to do this, but I am still sticking in long trades, obviously, because we're in this long trade at the moment. Well, in institutional smart money, this is also pulling back drastically out of short trades and trying to push us up into the long trade sentiment for XRP. So watch this over the weekend. If we start printing bars here where we start seeing really nice moves to the upside, that is a very good bullish sign in the market that we're going to keep heading upwards, okay? Where's the resistance? It's 135. Where's the support? It's 104. Guys, these metrics are so stinking simple to read. If you're watching this, the dollar cost average buys, you can clearly see that anybody who has taken any of the signals called on this channel for hold positions, you guys are doing ridiculously good right now. Sorry, that's not even good grammar. Ridiculously well right now. Let's call it that. What you guys can do is you can buy in here, hold for 5 to 10 years, and you'll probably be a millionaire. I'm just joking, but some of you actually will be. This is calling the exit points. So this calls a very nice drop here. When you're in an overextended market, you are going to get blocks in here. What I do for this is it tells me, hey, set up those long trades. Get ready for the buy limits to be triggered. That's exactly what I was looking for. We're looking for a drop on this channel for quite a long time. We ended up getting the drop. We're in the trade and we're in the profit. Just like that, guys. Being patient is the best thing to do. Okay. If this video is not long enough, let's go over to the long trades and let's go over this, and I'm going to end this video right after this. Where's Ripple? Right here. So as far as an exit on this, I'm looking for an exit, guys, of $1.38. That's just clear. So put that on your charts. If you guys are in this trade, $1.38 would be the sell limit. Why? Because that's exactly at structure high, like I've already talked to you guys about in here. Now, if we get up here, choose what you want to do. If it was me personally, I would be exiting 50% of all of my XRP if I hit this. Leave 50% in, not financial advice. You can leave 50% in and ride this up to see if we actually get triggered out here at a top area of about $1.50 is what I would expect to see before we start heading back down, because this correlates to the channel moving up. Okay, for those of you guys who want to get into the trade, I believe the next best entry is right here at $1.10. Make sure you're watching this. This can update over the weekend and over the days coming because of new structures, but this is where you put your first buy limit, your second buy limit, third buy limit, and fourth buy limit. Make sure you're watching these. These will update. They are dynamic. Follow these as the price structure moves up and down. Set them in your exchange. Come back every day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Update them with me, and you guys can get into these trades just like you're seeing at the moment. Congratulations, guys, for being up on Dogecoin. You guys are up on ADA, you're up on VET, you're up on XRP. We just ended up closing 2 other trades for short trade wins on BTC, and we also closed a short trade win on Link this last week. We have not lost a single trade on this channel, and you guys are doing very, very well. God bless you guys so much. Get the indicators as well as your subscription over at tradeconfident.io. Set your trades up. Get ready for the next ones coming out here, and I will see you guys Monday morning. God bless you guys so much. I will be available a little bit over the weekend if you guys need me for something over email, but I try to take that off. We're going to try to have this baby this weekend. So that's my goal. See you guys on Monday. God bless you again, and good job on all the profits. Bye-bye.